Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw Sasuke from Naruto. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I'll show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're going to start out with his eyes first. So we're going to draw just one line across, and this is going to be the bottom of his headband. So just straight across. And then right about in the middle, just come out around to the side here. I'm just gonna draw two lines, two little slants. That's gonna be his eyebrow. So we're gonna give him a little bit of a mean brow. And then right underneath it, now we're just gonna draw in the eyelid. So it's just gonna be slant and then straight across. So slant, slight slant, and then just come across. Okay, and then we're gonna draw in the eyeball. So right underneath it, just gonna draw in a circle. And I'm gonna leave a little bit of highlight. Okay, and then right underneath the eyeball, just draw in one little line. So from here, we're gonna come down in the middle. Just kind of come down right around here. So that's for his nose. Just a small little line. And then right underneath it, we're gonna draw his mouth. It's gonna be a line, kind of a little bit of sad face. Okay, and then from here, let's draw in the side of the hair. So like right on the eye right here, I'm just gonna come down. Right here as well, just gonna come almost straight in, kind of taper it in a little bit. And then now we can draw in the rest of the face, that's chin. So you can actually come down in the middle and just kind of make yourself a little dot here. And then we're just gonna go up. So it's kind of sharp. Okay, so that's gonna be the chin. So that definitely this is the trickiest part. So now let's go ahead and finish up the hair on the top. So just kind of come up straight. Curve it in slightly. Come down. So this is gonna be one bang. And then we're gonna come down. Just kind of meet up in the middle. And that's gonna be the top of his headband here. Okay, and then to finish off the headband, we just draw one line across. And then on the bottom, there's gonna be another line here. And then now for the symbol, so this one's a little bit easy. Start in the middle, just curve out, angle, and a little triangle. Okay, and then from here, let's draw in his hair. So from here on the very end here, it's just gonna come up. It's gonna be one slant. Then we're gonna slant this all the way up to the side of his head. Draw one here. And then we're gonna draw one more here. Let's go all the way up. Alright, so it's kind of narrow. And then now we're gonna slant this one in here toward the center. Okay, that's gonna be one spike, and there's gonna be more spikes here. So one. Okay, so that's gonna be the biggest one, and now we're just gonna make it smaller. And have this one slant down slightly. Alright, so that's his head, and yeah, it's definitely a little bit tricky for these kind of anime faces. Alright, so for his body, his neck, just come down. And then the middle here, we're just gonna draw, make a little dot and just kind of slant upwards slightly for his huge collar. And then we're gonna come down with a slight slant. And then now we're gonna draw the back of this. So we just kind of start here and just go back behind the head. So curve it up. Okay, and then for his, we can add in just a couple of lines there for the folds. And then now for his body, just kind of come down slightly. Okay, same slant. So just leave a little bit of space on each side and just kind of come down. And then I'm gonna add in a little bit of an angle here to show a little bit of folding of the clothes. And then we're gonna continue that. And I'm just gonna close it off. Okay, so from here, let's draw in the sleeves. So on the side here, just come back up here, curve it, just come down. And then we're just gonna close it off back to the body. Curve, slant down, let's close it off. And then for his arm, so we're just gonna come down, close it off, just slightly extend it and draw like a little rectangle. And then now we're gonna come down and just give a little bit of waviness to it because this is gonna be cloth. And then close it off, another rectangle. And we can add in a couple of lines here just to make it show like it's cloth. And then for his fist, just come out, turn it back in, draw a little line there, and here's the back of the fist, and his fingers just kind of curl like this. So this is like a little V shape. Okay, so let's draw the other side, and it's gonna be kind of the same thing. 2 lines, close it off, extend it slightly, make a rectangle, and then again, just a little bit of curvy lines, close it off, rectangle at the end. Again, we're gonna add in some lines here. And then for the fist, again, come out, angle back in, line in the middle, back of the fist, and then a V shape, just come back up, close it. Alright, so let's draw in his shorts. So his shorts are easy, just come down straight, make a little mark in the center. And then we're just gonna come down, just continue this line, slant out slightly and just close it off. Same thing here. Close it off. And we can add in the straps here. So this is gonna be blue color, and then these gonna be a couple more straps here. Okay, so just 4 lines. So let's move down to his legs. So his legs are gonna be straight, so it's pretty easy. Just kind of draw 2 curves like this, just kind of pinch it in slightly. And then right here, we're just gonna draw a little bracket for his knee. We're gonna close this off. Now we're just gonna come down pretty straight, taper it in slightly, close it off. And then we're gonna draw in, there's 2 little borders here. And now for his shoes, just come down and just draw like a slightly bigger rectangle. And then we're gonna come down straight here. And then on this side, come out, come down. And then just close it off. And on the bottom, I'm gonna add a little bit of sole. And then on the top here, it's gonna be a strap. So just from side to side, just go 1 strap. And then just give this line some thickness, so we're just gonna draw it again. And then for his toes, we can just draw in curve this way. And then I'm just gonna fill it in. Okay, so not too much detail there. Alright, so for the other legs, it's gonna be the same. Just taper it in slightly. Close it off. Again, the bracket for his knee. And then use the other side as reference. And then we're just gonna come down. Close it off. Let's add in the little borders. And now for his shoes, so again, come out with a rectangle. Come down, just use the other side as reference. Come out, down, close it off. Then a little bit of sole on the bottom. And then from here, 1 big curve. Same curve up here. And then for the toes, go this way. So just curve it out this way. And then let's add in a little bit of details on his short here. 1 line. Add in a little bit of line there. And then got a little pocket in here on the side. And that is it for this Sasuke drawing. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out. And if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.